Morning, Kestrels. Before we move on to our next MOT, we are going to correct yesterday's work. So get your pen and then let's go into it. We were looking at common factors, and those are the numbers that you can divide this number by getting a whole number, and that both of them have the same factors. So you have to find the factors of 8, and see which ones were the same. Right, you should have for the first one only number 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. On your next one, you should have 2, 3, and 6. 12 divided by 2, 6. 12 divided by 3, 4. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 2, 9. 18 divided by 3, 6. 18 divided by 6, 3. On my next one, you should have 3, 5, and 15. 15 divided by 3, you get 5. 15 divided by 5, you get 3. 15 divided by 15, 1. 30 divided by 3, 10. 30 divided by 5, 6. 30 divided by 15, you get 2. On my next one, you should only get 2. 32 divided by 2, 16. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 30 and 10, you should have 2, 5, and 10. 2, 5, and 10. And then you get 30 divided by 2, it will be 15. 30 divided by 5, it will be 6. 30 divided by 10, it will be 3. 100 divided by 2, 50. 100 divided by 5, it will be 20. And 100 divided by 10, it will be 10. Okay, so those are the common factors, and today we are going to be looking at multiples. Really simple, really easy. Get your book and let's go to start with our MOT. Today is the 13th of 1st of the 21st. We are going to do an MOT and we are going to be looking at multiples. Okay? Right, multiples. What are those? Multiples are the product of numbers that timed by other number that are, well, basically that are on the timetable, okay? So the multiples are a number times another number, the answer, the product that you get. For example, let me explain it easier. So I have number 2. Multiples for number 2, see how you're going to get it really quick. Multiples for number 2 is 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10. Simple. So are the product, the answer from a number time another number. So I'm going to now get the multiples from number, this one is going to be a little bit tricky, 13. And I'm going to try to go up 5 multiples, okay? 13. 13 times 1 is 13. 13 times 2 will be 26. 13 times 3 will be 39. 13 times 4 will be 52. 13 times 5 will be 65. Okay? So, multiples are all those numbers, all those products from a number once that is timed by another number. Really simple. Worded, it sounds worse and more difficult than what it is. Can you find the multiples, please? From, let's go to do it together. Can you find the multiples from these two numbers? Can you find the multiples from 11 And can you find the multiples from 6? It's going to start with 11 together. It's going to get 5, okay? 11 times 2, 22, 11 times 3, 33, 11 times 4, 44, 11 times 5, 55. Let's going to go for my next one. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 6 times 4, 6 times 5. Nice. Okay. Can you have a go now on your own at these ones? On your own, and we'll correct it as soon as you're ready. Can you find the multiples from 9 and from 14? Go for it. When you're ready, play it again so we correct it together. Right, let's go to look at the first one. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, let's going to go for my next one, which is 14. 14 times 1 is 14. 14 more, which is times 2, is 28. And another one, it will be 42. And another 14, 56. 3, 4, and another 14, it will be 70. Yeah, happy? So, can I ask you, can you try to have a go and find 5? I think that is 3. Let's going to find, it's going to actually say 3. Can you find 3 multiples? Going to be nice. From 3 multiples from. Three multiples from 3. Can you find 3 multiples from 7? Can you find 3 multiples from 12? Can you find 3 multiples from 15? And 3 multiples from 50. Okay, have a go. Really easy. Is just 3 times 1, 2, 3, 7 times 1, 2, 3, 12 times 1, 2, 3, because multiples is the product, is the answer from a number times this number. It doesn't need to be times 1, times 2, times 3, okay? But it's quicker and easier. So have a go, and we correct it tomorrow. Adios!